Hello guys, and welcome to this detailed guide on how to use the video generator inside Hedra AI. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick note before we start. Hedra is actually a full creative platform now. It has like an AI agent, an image generator, a live real-time avatars, all of it. So this video is only going to cover one particular piece, which is the video generator, where you turn an image and an audio track into a talking character video. I'm gonna cover the rest of Hedra in a separate video. Also guys, before we start, let me give you the verdict up front. The core lip sync quality here is genuinely excellent. The credit system rewards planning ahead, and you're gonna get access to Hedra's own character 3 model plus outside model like BO, Kling, and Sora, all from the same interface and the same credit balance. So guys, Hedra's flagship model here is going to be character. In particular, character 3. This is called an omni-model model, meaning it's going to read your image, your script, and your audio waveform together in one pass. Instead of animating a face and syncing audio, it's just separate steps. That's why the mouth shapes, blink, and small head tilts feel connected to what's actually being said, instead of layer on the top of it afterward. But character 3 is not your only option, okay? You can also generate 3 different models, and for this, I recommend you go to manual tools, you go to video, and here you're gonna be able to select between different models, such as, the Google's BO, the Clink, the Minimax, or the Sora. And they're all gonna be built from the same credit pool, okay? In this one drop down. The only difference is the number of credits this is gonna span, like each one. And we're gonna get to why the model choice matters in just a minute. All right, let's talk about the image, okay? This is the single biggest factor in output quality. So what's gonna work is a front-facing portrait, even lighting, clear facial features, and at least 512 pixel. And what is not going to work, on the other hand, is like hard side angles, faces that are partly blocked, low light, and things like that. If you don't have a very good image, what I recommend you do instead is go to the image generator and try to generate an image using Hedra. Okay? I'm not gonna go in deep here because we're gonna cover this in another video, but just know that it exists as your fallback before you ever touch the video. Now the step 2 is going to be the audio, okay? And there are 4 ways in. You can just upload it by dropping like a wave or MP3 you already have, and this is going to give you the most control and the most reliable lip sync because you control the performance, okay? You can also just generate it by going to speech, and basically you can use a script and he's just going to create like an AI voice for you from a built-in voice list. And finally guys, very importantly, you can click on record audio, so you can use your mic right in the browser for a quick pass. And finally, you're gonna have your library, okay, which is gonna able to reuse audio you have already uploaded on a past project. This is going to be very useful, especially as you keep using Hedra, because you're going to have like a lot of assets in here. Now guys, let's talk about the settings row, and this is where most people either save or waste credits. We spoke about the model already, so you can choose whatever you want, pretty much, okay? Just make sure that it's coherent with the number of credits you have. Now, duration, you can basically set it to auto, which is going to be like 8 seconds, but you can also, set it to 6 or 4. Just make sure that it's going to match your audio length, so you can override it. Now, the aspect ratio is going to be 6:9 for normal videos and 19:16 for reels and shorts. Guys, the resolution. This is basically like a direct credit multiplier, so do not default to your highest setting while you're still testing. Okay, because it's gonna waste so much more credits. And the batch size, I extremely recommend you leave this at 1. Alright, unless you're deliberately generating multiple takes at once, because every extra batch multiplies your credit span by 2, 3, or 4. So yeah, with that alone, you should be fine, okay? And remember, you can start or add start and end frames by clicking in here. And once again, you can click on AI to generate them with artificial intelligence, okay, which is great. And just finally, you're gonna have to give it like a prompt, okay? Make sure that it's very detailed in terms of the lighting. What I recommend you do when you have your prompt is clicking on this enhance prompt button, and that's gonna make it even better. So for example, I have a very simple prompt in here, and if I click on enhance, what's gonna happen is that the AI is gonna make it a little bit better. So let's wait a few seconds and see. Look, in under 5 seconds, it actually did all of this. Okay, it created a whole picture of what I was looking for and made it so much better. So I always recommend you use this button because it makes it so much better. Now guys, let's talk about the model selection, okay? So character 3, as I mentioned before, is going to be your cheapest and fastest path to a talking character clip at 6 credits per second. So a 20-second video is going to cost you about 120 credits. If you compare that with like the Sora, for example, which is going to be 70 credits a second, it's going to be over 10 times the cost at the same length. And you can see that this is way too much. And you might be wondering, well, but how much money is actually a credit? Well, basic is going to run $15 a month for 1,500 credits. Creator is double as much, but it's also going to give you 5,400 credits. And the professional tier is going to give you 14,400 credits at $75 a month. So with this, you can actually do the math and see how many videos you can generate. What I recommend you do, guys, is always test at a lower resolution, which is going to be 720, before actually committing to full HD. Okay. Also, make sure when you write your script to do the real pauses, like the lip syncs and the unbroken lines. Okay, this is going to be very important. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much. Remember, we're gonna record one more video on this to show you how it really works, and another review on it, where I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion, and whether you should buy it or not. But yeah, thank you so much.